Hello, this is brown sugar. Today is an order sharing. The character setting of this painting is very special. And skin color was something I had never done before. It feels very fresh to draw. This OC also comes with some green tentacles. I drew the tentacles thinner at first. The quantity is also relatively large. The single master baby has revised the line draft. Wish I had made the tentacles thicker. When you see the revised line draft, the brown sugar was really amazed. Because the board of this single bamboo baby will have very smooth lines. Nice drawing too. The brown sugar board will be very unskilled. Hands shake easily when drawing lines. So it's really ugly to draw. Before, when there were no tablets, I also tried conducting. It was scratching on the tiny phone screen. Draw super invincible slowly. I drew a few and I couldn't hold on. It's really laborious and eye-catching. Therefore, I particularly admire those who can. Babies who insist on experiencing. Someone with such patience and perseverance. No matter what you do, you will succeed. Recently, for all reasons, I never had the energy to paint. I can't make a video either. This time the paper figure is a stock. I hope I can keep updating. I slept late last night. I feel like I wake up in the morning with no energy at all. I also had a dream. Clear the level in the game. When I wake up, I feel like everyone is fierce. I can't tell what tonight is. That's it for today's sharing. Bye. Hello, this is brown sugar. Today is an order sharing. This time it's a pink cardboard figure. Brown sugar still likes this color. Basically, they all belong to the OC of the same color system. Babies who have watched early videos of brown sugar. You may have seen these two paper gardens made of brown sugar. They are designed by brown sugar itself. One is blue. One is black. I wanted to match them. Wear different colors of clothes and underwear. However, my design ability can't make a nice color scheme. The back is still painted in the same color. Then I found that the same color system looks good. Brown sugar likes this clean color. Brown sugar is a black lover. That's why I call it brown sugar. Cubic principle. Brown sugar likes to wear black clothes to go out. But since brown sugar is less verbal, wearing black clothes and going out is like a seat. Walking iceberg. Always misunderstood by others. So I rarely wear black clothes later. Still like colored clothes. Doesn't make me look too gloomy. Now the wardrobe is basically full of white short sleeves and jeans. Occasionally my mom would choose me something pink to wear. She thinks this is the color that girls should wear. I always thought that was a bit of a stereotype. That's the end of today's sharing. Bye. Hello, this is Brown Sugar. Today is an order sharing. Still a nice setting. Recently, I went to eat chicken pot with my friends. The chicken is particularly tender. It tastes good too. And there's an amazing thing about that. The chicken outside I can eat with relish. The only thing I really resist is the chicken that my mom cooks. From small to large. Every time I eat chicken at home, there is a fixed link. My dad would always point to the drumsticks and say, "This chicken leg is especially good." Parents are reluctant to eat. I specially left one for you and your brother each. But that chicken leg was too big for me. Free-range local chicken meat is very hard. I can't bite and eat every time, but still ask to eat it. I eat hard every time, so I couldn't help but tell my dad, "Eat by yourself. Don't leave it to me on purpose." It turned out to be ungrateful. In the end, I had to eat it. And at the same time, my dad would keep repeating how reluctant they were to eat. Think of me more. Year after year has passed. Now many years later, I'm facing my mom's chicken stew. It has reached the point where it cannot be put in the mouth at all. Just the smell of that makes me sick to my stomach. That's it for today's sharing. Bye.